The oxygen sensor, or O2 sensor, is a vital component in modern vehicles, introduced in the late 1960s by Dr. Gunter Baumann for Robert Bosch GmbH. It measures the oxygen concentration in exhaust gases, sending data to the engine control unit to adjust the air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion and emission control. This ensures the engine runs efficiently, balancing power, fuel economy, and emissions, typically aiming for a stoichiometric ratio of 14.7.1 for gasoline engines. An engine misfire, on the other hand, occurs when one or more cylinders fail to ignite the air-fuel mixture properly, leading to incomplete combustion. This can manifest as rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, and a drop in power, potentially triggering the check engine light. Misfires are concerning for drivers as they can reduce fuel efficiency, increase emissions, and, if ignored, cause long-term engine damage. The question at hand is whether a bad O2 sensor can cause these misfires, and we will investigate this by examining the sensor's role, common misfire causes, and the potential connection. The O2 sensor is typically located in the exhaust system, with most vehicles having at least two: one upstream, before the catalytic converter, and one downstream, after it. The upstream sensor, or pre-cat sensor, regulates fuel supply by measuring oxygen levels in the exhaust and sending voltage signals to the ECU. The downstream sensor monitors the catalytic converter's efficiency. This process is crucial because the ECU uses the O2 sensor data to adjust fuel injection, ensuring the air-fuel mixture is neither too rich, excess fuel, nor too lean, excess air. A rich mixture can lead to unburnt fuel, while a lean mixture can cause the engine to run hot, both potentially affecting combustion efficiency. If the O2 sensor fails, the ECU may guess the mixture, leading to poor performance, increased fuel consumption, and potential emission test failures. While a bad O2 sensor is not the primary cause of misfires, it can contribute indirectly. If the O2 sensor malfunctions, it may send inaccurate data to the ECU, leading to an improper air-fuel mixture. Too much fuel can foul spark plugs, reducing their ability to ignite the mixture, potentially causing misfires. Too much air can lead to insufficient fuel for combustion, causing the engine to run hot and misfire. This disruption can result in symptoms like rough idle, hesitation, and engine misfires, especially if coupled with other issues like worn spark plugs. However, the O2 sensor's impact is more systemic, affecting all cylinders, whereas misfires are often cylinder-specific, suggesting other direct causes. There are documented cases where a bad O2 sensor has been linked to misfires. For example, a 2004 Nissan Titan exhibited misfire symptoms, rough idle, hesitation, and had diagnostic trouble codes like P0300, random cylinder misfire, and P22.88, oxygen sensor circuit slow response. After replacing the O2 sensor, the misfire issues resolved, indicating the sensor was contributing by providing inaccurate air-fuel ratio data. Another example involves a Chevy van, circa 2010, that failed inspection due to misfire codes, and after extensive diagnostics, a faulty O2 sensor was found to be the cause, likely due to its impact on the air-fuel mixture. These cases highlight that while rare, a bad O2 sensor can indeed cause misfires, especially when accompanied by other symptoms like poor fuel economy or check engine light illumination. In summary, a malfunctioning O2 sensor can contribute to engine misfires by disrupting the air-fuel mixture, leading to incomplete combustion. However, it is not the most common cause, with ignition and fuel system issues being more typical. The connection is indirect, and diagnostics often reveal multiple codes, requiring a holistic approach to repair. For car owners and DIY enthusiasts, it's crucial to address O2 sensor issues promptly, especially if misfire codes like P300 and O2 sensor codes, the PSU's 7.1 error code for lean mixture, appear together. Regular maintenance, such as replacing O2 sensors every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, can prevent such problems. Thus, while a bad O2 sensor can cause misfires, it's part of a broader diagnostic picture, and timely sensor replacement is key to maintaining engine health.